What's that? Oh, never mind.
Where is it?
Thank you.
Where's all cocked out?
Is it?
Oh, look, it's working. Look, I got the HD.
Nice.
See, here's the
FLIR. Forward looking. Infrared. Forward looking infrared. Hey, wait. You want to put it on the ground? Or up there on that foundation?
Look at that one, that was working.
Oh, the mosquitoes are fucking terrors out
I
here.
might be able to film it.
Oh, terrorists. What's that?
Look, it's working.
I see that.
No, well, I mean, yeah, you should look here.
Oh, you could. Okay. I thought you would like have to touch the screen or something.
The other one is not. I'm getting a overload. Why are you filming my buttons?
I'm just showing you fucking idiots that are gonna watch this video. Because they're a bunch of fucking
gimbal.
Never mind.
Motor overload on the fucking FLIR.
Gimbal overload.
I don't know what that means.
The gimbal's loaded over. Loaded over. Someone really shot the living shit out of this Ford over here. The shotguns and shit. Thing's ready to fly.
Well, I was gonna see if this thing could be made to work somehow.
You at the FLIR side? Oh wait. You already said. I can't remember. Yes.
Maybe it's not gonna be all cockeyed this time.
No!
Oh, it's not saying gimbal overloaded.
Good.
But I don't know how to move it.
Hold up. Here again.
Oh wait, no, there, look, it's moving.
Right? Here. Oh, this on the ground?
Sure.
Look out, doggy.
Dude, look at us.
Whoa.
Where's paper?
Right behind you.
Anyway, so go to that one. So if you go down, manual takeoff, you go down.
Nice. Holy Gandhi. That thing's like silent compared to.
No, it's pretty fucking loud.
about 60 RPMs there.
See, look, I'm flying it. I'm flying it, Jesse.
Epic. You can see the fucking things. You can see the rotor. Oh, yeah, the rotor.
Look, there we are. There we are.
Pretty up, big rotor.
See?
Oh shit. Yo. That's dope. The dog coming up right behind you. Oh, here she is. Oh, I see. Cool. 238 feet. 238 feet right there. Oh, yeah. Matrice.
Anyways, just a good view.
Oh, shit.
Wait, which way?
Somebody's gonna see it and start tripping out.